Some people like them, some people hate them, and you know what? Some people lie about them. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video and today's comment. And of course, we have another comment about cruise ducks. If you're not familiar with cruise ducks, it is a passenger-led activity on cruise lines. You take them on board the ship, put little tags on them, you hide them around the ship. People find them. They can either keep them, they can re-hide them on the ship. Okay. It's a pretty popular activity. People like to hide them. People love to find them. People love to collect them. Not everybody, but quite a few people. But for today's comment, this person, well, I don't think they like them at all. Well done, Disney Cruise Lines, for banning the hiding of these infernal and disease-riddled rubber ducks. I am a parent. I do not want to have to deal with a load of ducks to take home, so just left them in the cabin or in the trash. So I can totally understand that decision. The VIP Facebook page says Carnival is announcing the same. Good, I say. And this is echoed, I bet you, by most everyone else. All right, let's break this comment down. Yes, Disney Cruise Line did put out a thing, says, hey, we don't want any more cruise ducks on Disney Cruise Lines. That part is absolutely true. Now, the part about Carnival banning cruise ducks, that part is absolutely false. Carnival has already come out. John Heald, brand ambassador for Carnival Cruise Lines, has said, no, we are not stopping this. Yes, you can still bring the ducks. Yes, you can still hide the ducks. It is allowed and will continue to be allowed. So where they got that Carnival was going to ban this, wrong answer right there. Now, I take from this comment that this person does not like the ducks. They don't like the hiding of the ducks. They don't like the finding of the ducks. They don't want the ducks on the cruise ship. But I got to ask a question here. For a person who doesn't like the ducks, why did she have the ducks in the cabin? She says, I just leave them in the cabin or throw them in the trash. Well, why'd you mess with the ducks at all? Look, if you don't like the cruise ducks, you don't have to bring them on the ship. If you don't like the cruise ducks, you don't have to find the ducks on the ship. If you see one, ignore it. You don't have to pick it up. You don't have to touch the disease-infested cruise duck. You can just leave it alone. You can just ignore it. But for a person who doesn't like them, how did they end up back in their cabin? If you got your kids with you and you hate them so much and they're disease-riddled cruise ducks, why are you letting your kids pick them up? That's the part about the comment that I think gets me the worst is, I'm glad Disney doesn't have them. I'm glad Carnival's going to do this because I just leave them in my cabin. Well, why didn't you just leave them where they were? And of course, they got to throw in, I bet you everybody else agrees with me. Sure seems like when we get a comment that says everyone agrees with me, usually that turns out to not be the case. But like always, let me throw it out there to you guys. Are you into cruise ducks? Are you not into cruise ducks? Do you like finding them on the ship? Do you enjoy the game? Do you bring them, hide them, take them home with you? Or if you see one, you don't care about it, you're just like, not my thing, just gonna leave it alone. But other people can have fun with it. Or are you with this person and you think it just needs to be banned? Let me know what you guys think. All right, I hope you've enjoyed our video today. If you have, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit subscribe. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow. Let you know anytime we put out a new video. Hope everyone out there is having a really great day. And like always, we will see you out on the high seas.